Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the English Language Arts Content Knowledge Test? This is exam number 5038. Praxis 5038 is an exam with several subtopics. This work solution set covers the subtopic of reading. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to find on the exam. Let's begin. Problem number 1. In legal documents, jargon or specific terms that are used within the legal field is often called legal terms, legality, legalese, or legalism. In legal documents, the specific jargon or terms used within the legal field is not referred to as legal terms, legality, or legalism. Legal terms refers to the vocabulary used in law, but doesn't specifically denote jargon. So we can cross that out. Legality pertains to the state or quality of being in accordance with the law. So that is not the correct answer either. Legalism is the strict literal adherence to the law or to a particular code, often with a connotation of excessive adherence. So we can eliminate that one as well. The correct answer here is legalese, which specifically describes the formal and technical language of legal documents that is often difficult for lay people to understand. Thus, the correct answer here is legalese. Problem number 2. The following question is based on the opening lines from William Shakespeare's play, Romeo and Juliet. Shakespeare employed which type of metric line in this excerpt? Anapestic tetrameter, iambic pentameter, free verse, or dactylic pentameter?
Two households, both alike in dignity, in fair Verona where we lay our scene, from ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil hands unclean. From forth the fatal loins of these two foes, a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life.
The metric line used by Shakespeare in the opening lines of Romeo and Juliet is not anapestic tetrameter, free verse, or dactylic pentameter. Anapestic tetrameter consists of 4 metric feet, each foot having 2 unstressed syllables followed by a stressed syllable, and that is not the case here. So let's cross that out. Free verse lacks a consistent meter and rhyme scheme altogether, and this excerpt has one, so we can cross that out as well. Dactylic pentameter consists of 5 metrical feet, each foot having 1 stressed syllable followed by 2 unstressed syllables, and which is also not present here. So let's eliminate that as well. The correct answer is iambic pentameter, which is a type of metric line that consists of 5 iambs per line, each iamb having an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. This rhythm matches the excerpt's structure with 10 syllables alternating between unstressed and stressed. But what is an iamb? This is a metrical foot in poetry that consists of 2 syllables. The first syllable is unstressed, followed by a stressed syllable. It creates the pattern of da-dum, da-dum, and Shakespeare's famous for that. Therefore, the correct answer here is iambic pentameter. Problem number 3. Characters, plot, and setting in fiction are all part of which of the following terms? Main point, theme, main idea, or supporting details. Characters, plot, and setting in fiction are not part of the main point, which refers to the most important or central idea, the author wants to convey. So let's cross that out. They are also not part of the theme, which is the underlying message or insight about life that the author is trying to communicate through the story. So let's cross that out as well. Additionally, they are not the main idea, which summarizes what the story is mostly about. So let's eliminate that. Instead, characters, plot, and setting are part of the supporting details. These elements provide the necessary context and depth, bringing the narrative to life and helping to develop and illustrate the main idea and theme through the events and environments of the story. Thus, supporting details is the correct answer here. Problem number 4. Which news article title hints at the cause-effect organizational structure? An Afternoon to Remember, A Sea Turtle's Journey, The Brief but Important Life of a Bee, Bono's Solution to the AIDS Pandemic, or Obesity Costing the Global Economy Trillions. The titles, An Afternoon to Remember, A Sea Turtle's Journey, The Brief but Important Life of a Bee, and Bono's Solution to the AIDS Pandemic do not hint at a cause-effect organizational structure. An Afternoon to Remember suggests a memorable event without indicating a cause and its effect, so that's not going to be correct. A Sea Turtle's Journey implies a narrative about a journey focusing on description rather than causality, so we can cross that out as well. The Brief but Important Life of a Bee likely explores the life cycle of a bee without an explicit cause-effect focus. So let's eliminate that as well. Bono's Solution to the AIDS Pandemic suggests a proposal or plan rather than an exploration of causes and effects. So we can eliminate that as well. The correct answer here is Obesity Costing the Global Economy Trillions, which clearly implies a cause-effect relationship by indicating that obesity, the cause, leads to significant economic costs, the effect. Therefore, obesity costing the global economy trillions is the correct answer here. I trust that I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of reading for the Praxis 5038 English Language Arts exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.